Top 20 Small Business Ideas for Beginners. Starting a small business can be intimidating, but with the right planning and a focus on minimizing costs, it can also be incredibly rewarding. The goal is to start small, avoid overspending, and focus on turning a profit before scaling up. Here are 20 practical and profitable small business ideas for beginners. 1. Yoga studio. Help people stay fit and healthy. 2. Catering services. Offer food for events, parties, and special occasions. 3. Travel agency. Travel is always in demand. 4. Fast food outlet. Serve affordable, quality food. 5. Chocolate cafe. Everyone loves chocolate, turn that into a business. 6. Fitness coaching. Run group classes or personal training sessions. 7. Single item restaurant. Focus on one popular item and do it well. 8. Website security services. Protect websites from malware and hackers. 9. Data backup services. Help clients secure their data. 10. Surveillance camera sales. Growing demand for safety makes this profitable. 11. Massage therapy. Offer relaxation and wellness services. 12. Home improvement and handyman services. Always in demand. 13. Children's educational programs. Help kids learn and grow. 14. Software/app development. High demand for custom digital tools. 15. Consulting services. Use your experience to help others grow their businesses. 16. Auto and machinery spare parts sales. Reliable industry with steady demand. 17. Car wash business. Great in urban areas with high car traffic. 18. Internet provider services. Offer fast, affordable connectivity. 19. Furniture business. Partner with carpenters to create and sell furniture. 20. Pure water production. Sell bagged or bottled water in high-demand areas. The Internet offers countless resources for aspiring entrepreneurs. Government websites and business forums can provide additional guidance. Lightbulb, got a business idea of your own? Share it in the comments below.